Hey guys, it's Joe Burgess. Just giving you guys tool haul today. It's April, a little bit of a rainy day here on the East Coast. Just gonna let you know, go over a few things I got today on the shelf here. Nice little one today. It was Sunday, and went up to the Rain and Flea, picked up a few things. Got a few nice ones today. I'll go through it with you. Starting off, a little, it's a Matco magnetic pickup tool. It's nice little handy tool to have. Lose stuff in cars, stuff like that. I'm gonna go through each drawer, put them away as I go. I'll show you guys. This down here with the stuff here. Put that in with the screwdriver, stuff like that. The wrench drawer. This Wednesday we're going to get into some more topics. We're going to start talking about different topics and subjects and stuff like that, and every once in a while do a tool review or a tool haul, things like that. I'll mix it up a little bit, but Wednesday hopefully we can get into those subjects. That'll be pretty interesting. Getting back to this carburetor adjustment tool. Every once in a while, you never know when you come across something like this. You're gonna need this. Looks like blue point on this one, but yeah, you never know when you're gonna need that. You could also use this tool for adjustments in confined spaces. It's pretty nice to have that. Probably also put that in that middle drawer here. Next thing we'll talk about is, this is for coil-ons right here. This picks up signals, the coil-on plugs. I've always wanted to get a hold of one of these, and happened to be in the pile of tools, and lucky me, end up picking it up. Does work. Let's see what drawer we're gonna put that in. No, we don't want to put it in the hammer drawer. Probably put it down here. Actually, no, I don't think I want to put it in there either. Just carefully put it away in here. Yeah, that's what a new home's gonna be. Put it right up in there. It's safe. And let's see. Then looks like a launch. Looks like an OBD2 unit where you plug it in. It gives you information off a USB. Actually, this is also in the same. This is actually in the same pile of tools too. Same thing. If I get my hands on something like that, I'm gonna pick it up. This is a real nice haul. All the stuff that was in this haul is pretty nice quality stuff. That's going to be a useful one right there. I will probably put that in with this drawer here. With the wrenches, maybe a couple of ratchets. I don't think that's gonna hurt anything. This drawer doesn't get banged around too much, so I'm gonna put it up in that drawer right there. Okay, then we'll just talk about, let's see here. We got an oil pressure sender switch right here. Socket. These are very handy to have. It's a little beat, but you still can use this end right here. Whereas the square, it's 3/8 drive. It looks like it's been impacted to a holy mess, but it looks like you still can use it, which is good. You probably can put a breaker bar on that, or a real long 1/2-inch drive ratchet. So, but yeah, as far as being used, it's been used. But hey, these flats are still good, which they are. We'll be able to use it. Question is, where in the box would we like to put that? Most of my sockets are up here. You know what? I think we'll put it right here until we can find a home for it. Because this thing is pretty stuffed. Starting to run out of room, actually. And this is a brand new car, too. Okay, we'll go on to the next ones here. Talk about this guy here. This guy was in the pile too. I'm not quite too sure if this is Kent tool or something to that effect. It looks like it's for serpentine adjustment. I'm not quite sure. It's probably got like a 7/8 inch size here. It's got a 1/2 inch. It's got a 1/2 inch square to it for the end. I'm not quite sure exactly if this is for O2 use or it's for a serpentine adjustment. It's one of the two. I'm pretty sure. Any of you guys know? Here's a nice close-up right here. I don't know if you could read that. The camera's a little bit shaky here. I apologize for that. And you guys see that and you do happen to know, please let me know. Let's see. Now, again, I don't know in this box where we're going to put that. Actually, I might just put it in here with the other stuff and then put some other stuff back into this drawer right here. We'll see when it comes down to that. But so far it's looking like that. Okay, now we'll talk about these other things here. Right here, we have three Hex Tools. You usually can find these on a key, socket, things like that. You know, this all came from the same pile. These are real nice to have, especially if you're working on something like having to hold like a ball joint or something like that, it's real confined spaces, excellent. I've been looking around for these for a while. Guy happened to have them, so I end up picking them up just because I wanted these for a long time. Got 3 of them. Looks like we got 8 mil here. That looks like a 5 mil. Not really too small. And 6 mil. That's kind of small. It's tough to me to read, so I actually backed the camera off because I had a real hard time reading that. Like I said, it's drizzling out here right now. It wasn't earlier, but now it is. But I think we're going to put these 3 down in this drawer again. Oops, sorry, wrong one. We will put them in this drawer. And you guys get any kind of ideas, anything like that, what you've seen, like, let me know. I'm open for any ideas, because I'm kind of tight for space in this thing. And I don't know if some of the decisions actually are going to stuff these drawers, are going to just be wasted space. So if you guys see anything that I don't see, let me know. Okay, then we're going to go on to this. This is like a relay buddy right here. I've seen this in the box too. You plug it in, and it's got like a fuse protection right there, and it's got the leads for your test unit. Right here at the end, plug it into your multimeter. That's a real good one, because especially if you want to try to chase something as far as a fuse keeps blowing, things to that effect. You know what I mean? You really can be chasing ghosts with the thing, and something like this will really help you out, because who wants to be doing that all day? Alright, let's put this guy away. Let's see. Keep going to that hammer drawer. I don't want to do that, and I keep doing that. We'll put it in here for right now. Just fold it up nicely. The other stuff in there. There's a few big wrenches and things like that in there. That drawer doesn't have a ton of stuff in it, but... Oh, sorry about the little pause and delay there. I don't know how that happened. And last but not least, we get the sockets. And I'm always up for sockets that I don't have. This looks like a Matco 13mm, and it's a semi-deep. The semi-deep ones are real nice to have, because a lot of times you don't have enough room for you have a bolt that you might need a little bit of room in. You need something with a little bit of depth in it, so you need a semi-deep one. Okay, let me see. Right now, I don't have a home for this guy right now, so put him on the rack right now, right there, because I don't have a home for him. And right here looks like a snap-on Phillips head, and this could be the impact type. It looks like it actually could be the impact type, the kind you get in like the red box with the 5 or 6 assortment sockets in it. I think that's the one. It looks like it appears to be broken, so that's gonna have to sit in the shelf as well. I don't have a guy that can warranty that. Yeah, it looks like we got a few 1/4 inch. These are all Matco. I like Matco. It's a good brand. These are all 1/4 inch, so I do have a home for these. We'll pop them in right now. Let's see. So this is a 14. So we got one in there. Let's see. Next one out. That's a 13. Another Matco. So we'll put that next to them right there. Let's see. I didn't have the full set, but hey, I'm okay with that because this is missing a few. So this is 11. We'll jump one. We'll go to the 11 slot. Let's see. Next one here is a 9. We'll jump one more time. And this looks like an 8. Yep, an 8mm Matco. So we actually don't have a break right there, so we got a few more to go to that set to make it complete. We're getting there. We're definitely getting there, for the most part. But that is today's tool haul. We got that whole entire haul for $37, which I think is a real good price. Good quality stuff. For the most part, yeah. I mean, if you look around and you find a nice lot like that, and you can cherry pick a few nice things out of it, go for it, because you can end up getting some real nice tools that way. But as far as value, that's probably, I don't know, I would probably put about maybe 170, 200 bucks on that whole lot there. But it's not the value of the money, it's just, to me, it's the quality of the tools and what I picked up, and definitely well worth it. Add to the collection. And next time around, I'm gonna have a nice set of topics, and hopefully one of these days I can get you guys a better tool cart and box tour, because the first two I made, not so much. They weren't really that great. The film quality wasn't that hot, and stuff like that. But yep, next time around it's gonna be a little better. So hope you guys like this one. You know, if you like, hit like. If not, no. But if you want to subscribe, that's great too. But next time around, Wednesday, I should have something new up, and it's gonna be like different topics, stuff like that, and that's what I'm gonna start doing. And eventually, I'm gonna have a much better box tour for you guys, and hopefully go up from there. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching, and I'll probably be doing one Wednesday, so I will see you guys then. See ya.